today I'll be doing the unboxing video of the Gitzo two-way fluid head. This one came out in November 2019, so it's finally 2 years and I got it. This is a change from my Wimberley head 2, which I've used it for about more than 10 years, and I've decided to change to this. I will be doing the pros and cons and the reason why I changed from the Wimberley head 2 to the Gitzo fluid head in the next video. For this video, I'll just be doing unboxing. So, alright, let's just turn to show you. Right. How do you... Okay. Oh, that simple. It looks very simple inside. I was expecting much more foam, like the Wimberley head 2. Okay, as researched, I haven't hold it before, I just researched online. It says it's 600 grams, while speculations say that it's, some people say that, speculate that it's about 800 grams. So I don't have a weighing scale now, but let me see how heavy or light this thing is. Wow. Okay, wow. Okay. This is very light compared to my Wimberley head 2. Right? Made in Italy, GHF2W. Wow, okay. Gitzo products has always been this standard, what do they call this? Metallic grey, noir, is it? They call it the noir color. I don't really know how to pronounce it. So, wow, this thing is very light. They have another tripod, which is the Ocean Traveler. That is something different. Other than that, if I'm not wrong, all of their products are noir color. As expected, very light. That was one of the reasons why I sold my Wimberley head. Manual, I guess, is inside. Yeah, and the Allen key, and the 3/4 and 1/8 screw. It comes with this accessories. There's some grease here, there's some oil. Alright, so that's it. The box is empty. Expected more inside. But yeah, it's very professional packaging. Okay. Any questions, feel free to comment in the comment section below, right? Thanks for watching.